Hi, folks. Welcome to Math 122, which is your basic techniques of calculus course 2. So I wanted to make this video for a quick overview of Canvas for our Spring 2025 class, so you kind of know what to expect and how to navigate around. So let's get started. All right. So when you sign into your Canvas, you will see a homepage. And on this homepage, you're going to see the name of the class, so you know that you're in the right one. But then I've also got a bunch of shortcut buttons in case you're trying to get somewhere quickly in the Canvas shell. So if you want to learn more about me, you could click on Meet Judy. Here is a link to our Zoom room in case we ever want to meet on Zoom. There's a link to the syllabus, schedule, and then to all 5 units that we're going to cover this semester. Right. I also want to point out that over here on the right-hand side, we have a list of your to-dos. And so that's a great way to keep track of all the assignments that you have, since we very rarely see each other in person this semester. All right. So modules, that is probably the most important place that you know how to get to on Canvas. And so under Home, you'll see that there's a modules button. So if you click on modules, you'll see that there's a course orientation module to get you started. You're going to go ahead and click through that. That's where you've actually found this video, and complete the 2 assignments that are due there. I've also included a module for important links. So it's got a link to our syllabus, our schedule, as well as a graphing calculator online that is free and that you can use to help you out with any calculations and graphing that you have, right? Now, for each of the 5 units, it's going to look a little something like this, right? So we've got we've got a section for the las semanas, which are going to be weekly announcements that I post. I'm going to make videos for those too, just so we can get a little bit more personal one-on-one contact here. But the las semanas are where you'll have a weekly announcement telling you what we're going to be covering for the week, as well as any assignments that are coming up and things like that. All right. Also, I've included for you in each of these sections, you'll see a notes and videos tab. And so let's just click on integration by parts. Okay, that'll be one of the topics that we cover in the first few weeks. So if I click on that, what you should be able to see is I'm going to provide notes. There's going to be blank notes, which are all on Google Docs, and then there'll be the complete notes. So after I'm done writing them, I will post them here for you to look at. Under lecture videos, I'm also going to include a link to the lecture videos that we make for this class. And then extra support, I've included some videos just from some open online resources that I think might be helpful, that kind of meet our content where we are, okay? And you can expect that for every single section that we're going to go through, so don't feel like you're alone in this adventure of Math 122. All right, let me go back. So you've got your las semanas, you've got your notes and videos, and you're going to have your homeworks. And so there are going to be homeworks that are due every week. They're going to be due on Sundays by midnight. And we are using the My Lab or My Math Lab from Pearson. You can buy that at the bookstore, and it should have a code for you to sign in when you click on the assignments. But all of the assignments are linked right here for you. Or you can click on My Lab and Mastering, and that will also take you to the assignments that you need. Okay. And at the very bottom of each unit, I'll give you some information about a unit assessment. So we're going to have an exam for every unit, but we're going to have 3 exams over the whole semester. But we're also going to have some learning portfolio type activities that we're going to do for that. Okay, so all of that information will be at the very bottom of each unit. All right, so the homework, we already talked about this, but you can purchase the My Math Lab Pearson Access through the bookstore. I forget how much it is, but we chose one that was not over $100, I think. So hopefully it won't be too expensive for you. But that way you can have access to all of the homework that is online. All right, last but not least, I just wanted to talk about the support that you have for this semester. We have a math lab here at Miramar campus. It is open Monday through Thursday from 9 to 6, and then Fridays from 9 to 1. There are tutors in here who can help you. You don't have to have an appointment. You can just pop on by, and chances are we will have a tutor here who can help you. I will also have in-person office hours. You can find that information in the syllabus. So those would be on campus in the math lab, and you can come and see me there. And lastly, we will have some Zoom office hours. And so that hopefully will be a nice wraparound support, capture the needs of everyone in this class. Okay. The last thing I want to mention is that the class, it is partially online, so I will be posting all of these things, but every Tuesday and Thursday from 10:30 to 12, I will be on this Zoom channel doing the lecture. I'm going to be lecturing every Tuesday, Thursday from 10:30 to noon. So if your schedule allows and you want a little bit more contact, come join me in the Zoom room on those days, and I'll just be doing the lecture live then. Otherwise, if you can't make it, that is totally fine. But the lecture videos will be posted very shortly after that to my YouTube channel. And so then you can take a look at those there. Okay. Well, I look forward to seeing all of you at our first exam. Hopefully I'll see you beforehand at office hours, but please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. All right. Have a great rest of your day.